Don't expect flashing screens or a drawn-out typing montage if your system gets compromised. It happens quietly. And that's what makes it so dangerous. Cybercriminals creep through background processes, leak data, insecure Wi-Fi, or reuse passwords. And this is why ESET combines its antivirus with ESET VPN and identity protection. Let me show you exactly how it works and discuss why you need it. Oh, if you decide ESET is right for you, I left an exclusive viewer discount in the description. Check it out. All right, to begin with, I should mention that ESET Home Security has a few tiers with different levels of protection, but each still puts the antivirus at the forefront, using the Non32 engine and a multi-layered approach that combines signature-based detection with heuristics and AI to reliably detect threats. ESET Antivirus also uses LiveGrid Cloud Intelligence. This is its own database. It tracks threats in real time. So if a new virus is found, it's quickly logged and can then be detected on other users' devices, even if they are thousands of miles away. Additionally, looking at independent testing labs' opinions of ESET is a good way to gauge whether these practices actually make a difference. In this area, ESET consistently scores top marks for protection, so it's clearly capable and ranks alongside the best antivirus solutions on the market. Okay, what if you're already especially cautious about what you do online? Do you need ESET's extras? The truth is, you can be as careful as a surgeon building IKEA furniture, but there's always that one screw left over. Mistakes happen. All it takes is connecting to public Wi-Fi. Often, cybercriminals create fake hotspots using snooping tools or even conduct man-in-the-middle attacks to intercept data or hijack sessions. Say you only ever connect to your home network. Well, what you do online can still be tracked by third parties, and your IP address can still be exposed. This information is often harvested and sold, meaning you've completely lost control over where it's stored and who can access it. This is where an antivirus won't help much, but a VPN will. The higher ESET subscriptions, Premium and Ultimate, include its VPN. This solves many of these issues because your traffic is encrypted. What you do online is hidden and your real IP address remains private. And with a no-logs policy, ESET promises not to store your IP timestamps, connection logs, session data, or monitor your online activity. As I mentioned, the VPN is available with the Premium and Ultimate plans, but each plan offers a different VPN experience. Basically, the Premium plan's VPN works well as a personal privacy tool, letting you connect to servers in 40 different countries. You manually connect whenever you need enhanced privacy, and your real IP address is masked by the one you've selected. Now, compared to the Premium plan, the Ultimate plan gives you access to more servers. This can help avoid overcrowding and lets you stream content from even more regions. There's also the option to set up the VPN on your router, as long as it's compatible. That means every device connected to your home network can benefit from VPN protection, including smart TVs and gaming consoles. Essentially, for extended browsing security, the Premium tier offers device-level protection, while Ultimate can secure every compatible device in your household at the same time. Sounds like something you're looking for? Don't pay full price. My special discount link is just a click away, or you can scan this QR code here. All right, so the antivirus blocks and detects malware, and the VPN makes browsing more secure. But in my opinion, the most valuable benefit is the identity protection you get with the Ultimate plan. This is a combination of useful tools that help prevent your data from being exposed and can even assist if it's stolen. Like the dark web scanning feature, this constantly monitors online databases looking for your information. If anything is found, you'll be notified immediately. ESET also alerts you to potential identity theft incidents, gives you online access to your credit report, and monitors your social media accounts for suspicious activity. In addition, you get enhanced browser and privacy protection. This lets you easily review website settings, manage permissions, and control notifications. You can also remove identifiable metadata from photos before uploading them, further improving your privacy. Granted, it sounds complex, but the ESET dashboard gives you easy access to these features. There's minimal ESET setup involved. Just add the emails or financial information you want monitored, and it does the rest for you. You can even add monitoring for other people. Now, you might be thinking, that's counterintuitive. Why do I have to enter my information to protect my information? And honestly, that's a fair question. As a whole, I'm confident in ESET's trustworthiness. It's never been involved in major scandals or data breaches, and it's been around since 1992. Mortal Kombat came out that same year, and if I managed to get good at that game, imagine how much a cybersecurity company can improve over 3 decades. That's a lot of experience. All right, the big question. How much will all this protection from ESET actually cost you? There are 3 subscription tiers, so you can easily find one that suits your budget. The Essential tier is the most basic, and that makes sense because it costs the least. With it, you get a robust antivirus, secure banking protection, and anti-theft tools. It's fine for beginner users, but it lacks the more comprehensive security features. The next plan, ESET Home Security Premium, includes one of the best VPN and antivirus combinations. Plus, you get enhanced file and folder security that blocks unauthorized access, along with ESET LifeGuard, which provides advanced protection against never-before-seen threats. Overall, this plan offers the best value, hands down. But of course, if you want all that plus identity protection, additional privacy tools, and the most feature-rich VPN experience, the ultimate subscription is the best choice. It leaves no stone unturned and remains competitively priced, especially if you start with a one-year plan. Honestly, if you're already considering ESET Antivirus, upgrading to a more comprehensive package with a VPN and identity protection just makes sense. These features are becoming just as important as the antivirus itself, regardless of how much time you spend online. Scams and phishing tactics are getting more sophisticated every year, so stronger protection matters more than ever. Don't forget my discount makes ESET even more worthwhile, so just tap the screen to access it now. I'll see you in the next one.